Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find the best free video editor by comparing DaVinci Resolve and Kdenlive. If you're looking for the best free video editor in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. DaVinci Resolve isn't just the best free video editor on this list. It's one of the best video editors out there. Under constant development by video and editing equipment manufacturer Blackmagic Design, DaVinci Resolve has all sorts of help documentation and tutorials available to get you started on your editing journey. Plus, the editor's popularity has led to a deluge of user-generated tutorials and how-to videos, which makes learning even easier. There are cut and edit interfaces for quickly cutting together clips and building complex edits, in addition to dedicated areas for applying effects, mastering audio, and exporting your creations. The editor offers excellent multi-camera support, offering a convenient solution for syncing video and audio in order to quickly switch between perspectives. And when you're done, Resolve can upload directly to YouTube, complete with support for video descriptions and titles, adding chapters based on markers and thumbnail image uploads. When it's time to export, you have a wealth of output options available to you, including H.264, HEVC, ProRes 422, and profiles that let you export for and upload directly to YouTube, Vimeo, and TikTok. The editing interface of Kdenlive is uncomplicated but includes all the features you'd expect from a competent editor. It's easy to pick up, and all of the right tools, including razor, snapping, and audio level monitoring, are at your fingertips. At the same time, there's a massive amount of potential for anyone who's prepared to grow with the editor and learn how to use more advanced features, like chroma keying, stylization, including color grading and LUT support, and even video restoration tools. You can learn how to use some of Kdenlive's more advanced features, like motion tracking and keying or creating animations, by reading the handbook or joining the support community. The most notable aspect of Kdenlive is how logical everything feels compared to other open-source alternatives like Shotcut and OpenShot. You might even find that you prefer it to freemium or premium tools once you've had a chance to play around. The app includes granular controls for video exports, and although there's no labeled option for YouTube, once you've dialed in your preferences, you can save your own profiles for future use. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.